Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And today I'm going to be doing a 20, I think this was a 28 piece pack that she bought, but this is going to be a green short quick weave. You see the color. I'm actually showing you guys everything that I'm doing step by step, exactly how I'm laying her tracks. So just keep watching, and I hope you learn a lot. If you have any questions, comment below, and we're already into this process, so just sit back and watch. Oh, and side note, when using the white 613 hair or a lighter color hair like this, the white glue is actually better. You have to be careful not to get too much of the black glue into the track. I was out of my white glue at this time, so I'm using black glue. Don't judge me. And when I glue the corners of the sides of the quick weave for short quick weaves, I like to take it up a little bit over the ear, if you can see, like by where the eyebrow is, so it gives a good sideburn part. And I like to glue them closer together, so when you go in to cut, it doesn't leave gaps and stuff in the quick weave. So that's just a side note. Just as the side note too, she is 100% natural up underneath here, so we just did her hair braided straight back, and we used the nude cap, of course, which you can see. And I sprayed pump it up spray to set her in and like set her up underneath the dryer for like 15 minutes, or you can hand blow dry it until it dries, but it works as a protective barrier so the glue doesn't get in her actual hair, and it's easy to come off when it's time for removal. So always protect your hair up underneath any type of weave. Okay, now when I get past a certain point, on the sides of the hair, I like to glue the hair from the front, as you can see, from corner to corner, from eyebrow to eyebrow, and have it facing towards the front because she wanted her hair full in her face, so you direct the tracks going that way. So the way you lay your tracks with short quick weaves or with any quick weave or with sew-ins depends on how you want the hair to flow. So obviously I want the hair to flow towards her head, so that's the way that I'm gluing it. And it's cut time. My favorite part of doing a short quick weave. I use a razor comb, and I'm so sorry, you guys. When recording, sometimes I forget that I'm recording and I am cutting her hair on the opposite side and you can't see. And a little bit later in the video, I am totally blocking the camera. You can see all my back fat rolls. I'm so sorry. I will do better the next time. But I like to cut around the ear to make sure like nobody wants that hair irritating them around their ear. But I like to cut it kind of, be careful with the razor comb, you guys, because you can either gap up the hair and all the hard work you just put in kind of be a waste, or you can, you know, you can easily cut a person's ear, so be mindful of that. And just with any cut you do, whatever you envision in your head, you cut it until you see that vision come into fruition. And you can always go back and cut more later, but if you cut too much, you cannot replace it unless you plan on doing the whole quick weave over. So with her, she likes her front a little bit full, and we wanted to do the back more natural looking, but she does like it long down, like she doesn't like it to be cut really short down her neck. So just keep watching and you'll see how I cut it in the finished product. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe below, like, share, and comment. See you next video.